What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Explorer remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2018 to 2026 Ford Explorer, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. You can see there's this long slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is put my key in that notch like that, or that slot like that. Then I'm going to angle the key up and push up on this back cover like that. And that can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off, especially if it's never been off before. Once we get that off, we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or you want something that can fit down in this little slot right here. Get a screwdriver or some kind of small tool with a point on it. Get under the edge of that battery. We'll get our old battery out. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll put this back cover on, and if you notice there's this little tab right here on this back cover, that's what I'm going to slide in first. Slide that in like that. Snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.